Here are the 5 basic tasks to include in our wedding plan. Let's go through them one at a time to set up an earned value, or EV, technique.
EV techniques, what's that?
I'll show you. We'll look at 5 EV techniques: 0-100, 50-50, incremental milestones, percent complete, and level of effort with your wedding project. And keep in mind, for this wedding, a reporting period will be 1 month, okay? First up, the 0-100 EV technique. It's an all-or-nothing approach, perfect for tasks starting and finishing within the same reporting period. For the wedding, you already have a caterer and have set the menu. They'll make and serve the food at the reception, which is when you'll pay them. I'll use a 0-100 EV technique on that task. Next, the 50-50 EV technique is most appropriate for tasks spanning 2 reporting periods. You get half the credit in the first period, by starting the task, and the other half the next period, when the task is completed.
Looking at the wedding tasks, I could see picking the band and making a music list taking 2 months. We'll want to go to a few showcases, negotiate a contract, and we'll need a while to pick the perfect songs.
Good thinking. I agree. Now, the incremental milestones EV technique. Use this for long tasks with multiple milestones that you need to divide the work into smaller parts, each with measurable milestones. Okay, now out of these tasks, which one do you think would use incremental milestones?
Long project with multiple milestones? That sounds like the custom dress.
Right. The designer will need to take measurements, design the dress, and construct it. Then there's the initial fitting and final alterations. Those are the incremental milestones, and each one will require a different effort. Now to the percent complete EV technique. This is perfect for longer tasks, where you can measure progress across many periods that you just report how much is complete as a percentage.
There are 2 tasks left that would take a long time to complete: tulips and project management.
Right, but only the tulips' progress is objectively measurable. So, I'll use percent complete to report on their growth. Finally, the level of effort, or LOE, EV technique is used for tasks that have no specific product or objectively measured result, such as those overseeing or managing the project. With the LOE technique, credit is given simply with the passage of time. We'll use the LOE EV technique for my effort as the wedding planner on the project. Okay, then. We've made some good progress on our wedding project plan.
Thanks, Emma, that was straightforward. I can even see how we'd apply these techniques to defense projects.